Hi everyone, welcome to Cauli and Broccoli episode of Easy Food with DG. Today's episode I'm going to show you how to make this comforting, warm, home-style cauliflower and broccoli in a beautiful white sauce. Best part about this recipe is it takes no time to bake at all. And to make cauliflower and broccoli in white sauce DG style, you need white sauce or bechamel sauce, which I've showed in the previous episode before. Link is up here and in my description box as well. You need cauliflower and broccoli, which I have blanched and kept ready. You also need breadcrumbs, crushed almonds, and last but not the least, Parmesan cheese. Let's get going. To begin with, I was telling you about blanching the cauliflower and the broccoli. I've got about chunks of cauliflower here. Blanching is basically just putting these chunks into boiling water for about 4 to 5 minutes and then removing them and shocking them in ice water. That's what it is. So we first put in the cauliflower, then layer it up with amazing green broccoli, which is full of proteins and calcium. Remember to also use the stem of the broccoli. It's got a lot of proteins and vitamins and nutrients. Last but not the least, top it up with this gorgeous velvety white sauce. Now that we've put in the beautiful white sauce, we need to put in the last 3 ingredients, which are the breadcrumbs. Put them over so you get this beautiful crisp layer on your baked dish. And to add a nutty flavor onto that, put in some crushed almonds. Last but not the least, add Parmesan cheese. And don't be a conjuice when it comes to Parmesan cheese, okay? Preheat your oven at 180 degrees Celsius. Put in this baked dish for 30 to 35 minutes or until it's golden brown and crisp from the top. So it's been about 30-35 minutes. The baked dish is ready. My house smells divine. Let's remove it and check. There we go. Come take a look. Can't wait to eat. Easy Food with DG. If you still haven't subscribed onto my YouTube channel, kindly do so right away. It smells so good. I can't wait to dig in. And I will see you soon. Bye bye.